Hey there, builders and makers. Adam Savage here, and today we're diving into the world of precision manufacturing with Wire EDM. Now, EDM stands for Electrical Discharge Machining. Picture this, cutting intricate shapes in metal using nothing but sparks. It's like lightning in a controlled environment, and it's changing the game for industries worldwide. Imagine crafting complex parts with incredible accuracy, all thanks to the power of electrical discharges. That's what Wire EDM brings to the table. Whether you're building airplanes, medical devices, or even custom automotive parts, understanding Wire EDM can unlock a whole new level of manufacturing possibilities. So, buckle up as we explore the ins and outs of this amazing technology. Wire EDM might sound complicated, but the basic principle is surprisingly straightforward. Imagine a thin wire, usually made of brass, threaded through a workpiece, which is the metal you want to cut. Now, submerge both the wire and the workpiece in a tank filled with deionized water, our dielectric fluid. Here's where the magic happens. A precisely controlled electrical voltage is applied between the wire and the workpiece. This creates a series of rapid, controlled sparks that erode away tiny particles of metal. The wire, constantly fed from a spool, acts like a saw, slicing through the workpiece with incredible precision. Think of it like this. The wire is like a sculptor's chisel, and the sparks are like tiny hammer blows, carefully shaping the metal into the desired form. Now that we know how Wire EDM works, let's talk about why it's such a game changer. First and foremost is the incredible precision it offers. We're talking about tolerances as small as a few microns, which is thinner than a human hair. This level of accuracy is crucial for industries where even the slightest deviation can spell disaster. But it's not just about precision. Wire EDM can handle even the toughest and most complex geometries. Need to cut intricate shapes in hardened steel? No problem. Wire EDM can handle it with ease, making it ideal for creating molds, dies, and other complex components. And because there's no direct contact between the wire and the workpiece, Wire EDM eliminates the mechanical stresses often associated with traditional machining methods. This means less wear and tear on your tools, and a smoother, more precise finish on your parts. So how does Wire EDM stack up against traditional machining methods like milling or turning? Well, it really depends on the application. Traditional methods are great for quickly removing large amounts of material, but they can struggle with intricate shapes and hard materials. Wire EDM, on the other hand, excels at precision cutting of complex geometries even in hardened metals. It's also a non-contact process, which means it can machine delicate parts without distortion. However, Wire EDM can be slower than traditional methods, especially for large-scale material removal.